yung sa may pangangailangan ng kabataan natin, yung mga projects that we need to pursue, as far as the youth is concerned. How is the president now, BBM, with that? Is he is he what's the term for it? Is he for you and with you?
At sa amin, hindi, no?
Hindi.
This is a relevant discussion because the budget came out just 2 days
Yes, it's all
ago.
about the budget. Importante
Yes,
yan eh.
oo.
Oo.
And syempre, yung,
That's a catalyst for all the things that
yeah, you get to
we
see
need.
there, nasan yung priorities, di ba? And sina-champion niya, ng administration niya, na tinaasan natin yung budget sa education because ito yung priority namin. And he said as much during his State of the Nation address. Pero we're still crunching the numbers as we speak. Pero looking at ano yung mga kailangan at paano niya binudget, it is a far cry from what the education sector has long clamored for.
Okay.
Una, very stark yung, and matagal na tayong nasa education crisis. And it's unfortunate na ngayon lang niya naisip, ngayon lang siya nag-push na magkaroon ng incremental increase in the budget ngayong nasa sadlak na tayo sa krisis. So, kaya naman pala na mag-increase ng budget. Hinintay pa niya na lumala at naging international talking point yung kalalaan ng education crisis before he did something. May report yung Department of Education na may 165,000 classroom shortage sa buong bansa.
Ang tagal
diba?
na yung classroom shortages na yan. Matagal na yan.
Exactly. Tapos parang ilang nagdaan ng administrasyon tapos wala pa rin nangyayari. But in his NEP, nagbigay siya ng mga commitments. Like for example, this year daw, ang target 6,000 classrooms ang mabuo. Ang next year, 4,869. But ang promise niya sa SONA is around 20,000 or so classrooms. So, paano yun? Paano mamimit yun? And looking at pa yung mas alarming na report na napakabagal ng paggawa, napakamahal ng paggawa ng classrooms. Our budget, which should be, maayos yung paggasta. Nakikita natin na saan napupunta ba? Efficient ba talaga? It puts into question yung napakaraming concerns on corruption, di ba? Here on infrastructure or on flooding na standing questions pa rin sa atin and hindi naman to masosolve until may totoong pangyayari and going after different people na nakikita nating mga corruption champions, Charis. And siguro I'd like to take this avenue to criticize na up until now, meron siyang napakalaking confidential funds. Diba? VP Sara had 612.5 million. No, that's OVP and DepEd. No? But he has, for the Office of the President, 4.5 billion pesos na he hasn't come out with an explanation kung ano to, breakdown, And yun yung challenge namin sa kanya. Otherwise, we would ask, saan napupunta tong 4.5 billion pesos?